Okay, so today I am going to be talking about assistive technology, and for my assistive technology, I decided to do it on Quizlet. Quizlet is a website that you can make electronic flashcards on. The website to get it on is Quizlet.com, but you can also download the app on an iPhone, iPad, or iPod. You can get Quizlet for free, but if you wanted to, you can upgrade it to Quizlet Plus, which is $1.67 a month. Quizlet Plus just gives you extra features such as image uploading, voice recording, ad-free studying, which I think is good for students who may not be able to read or write on their own. Two ways that I figured out that you could use Quizlet is one is the first way you could is making your own electronic flashcards. All you have to do is just log on and you can either click create a study set, which is right here, and that is creating a study set for you, and then you can also click on the join or create a class, which is right here, and that is creating a study set for you and your friends that anybody can join. Another way to use Quizlet is by looking at other people's study sets that they have made in the past. First I have to do is go up to the search button at this top left corner and search for something. For example, I could search assistive technology, different sets of flashcards will pop up, and I'll click either one that I want. But something cool about Quizlet is you can click on like this little speaker that's on the far right hand side of like the flashcard, and it can speak to you. So this might be good for someone who has trouble reading or like can't talk. So I'll show you how to use the two ways I described. So the first way, you just click here and do create a study set. Create a study set. And then assistive technology I could do term. I'll do assistive technology. And for the definition, I'll enter the definition here. And then after I do that, I can add more and the definition, and I can just keep on going. And I'd hit create, but you can't create flashcards if there's only one. You have to have two or more. So then I'll go back here, and then I'll hit on join or create a class. And then I can do join or create a class. The name, I can do SPED 401, create class. Enter class name, I can just do the SPED 401 again. Enter description, assistive technology, and then allow other members, and then select a school, which it knows I'm here, create a class, and then I can add a study set, and then other people can add a study set too, and then I can click here and like see all the members that are on here, but I'm the only one on. And then lastly, the second one was the search. So up here, I'll go to this top left corner and I'll type in assistive technology, search it, and then all of these flashcards will pop up, which is super nice. But just for this, I'll go to the first one. And they have, I think it was 84. You just keep going down, you can see all of these. But here's a little speaker thing I was talking about, so I'll click that to show you an example.
Assistive technology. A broad range of devices, services, strategies, and practices that are conceived and applied to ameliorate the problems faced by individuals who have disabilities, used to maintain, increase, or improve function.
Alright, and so I'll go back to the home page, and Quizlet is just one of the many assistive technologies that you could use now. So yeah.